Hello everyone, this is Mayank Chada with Team Microbe here. As you know, we are customized PCBA test fixture manufacturing company and providing lots of great solutions in India as well as in overseas market. We have in-house mechanical, electrical, electronics and software development team. So we will get under one roof all the fixing solutions for the PCBA as well as end of line product. When product is enclosed into the body, if you want to test it out, Microbe team can you provide the best out of the best solutions for that as well. So let's start today's video and demonstrate this particular pneumatic test fixture. Just giving a features like it is having the all the safety criteria as per the MNC requirements. Also, it is having the interchangeable cartridge based system. So if you want to change the DUT or DUT is changing in terms of the size or in terms of the test points location, you can change the cartridge. You can just need to remove top and bottom plate and you can insert a new cartridge for your new DUT as well. So all the structure and systems remain same, just need to change the cartridge part and bed of nail part and your system is going to start as per your needs. So let's start today's video in very detail. So this is a multi-cavity test fixers. In single cavity, approximate 8 PCBs are going to be tested at the same time. So there are 8 cavities. PCB is going to be fit in a panel form. So just need to insert a panel in the fixer and system is going to start. This is a metal enclosure with powder coated and export quality powder coating is there. As we are exporting fixtures in overseas market, we know the criteria and we know the system and process and the quality works which is required in foreign markets. This FR4 glass epoxy base top plate. This is also one FR4 plate. This is also FR4 3 mm or 5 mm plates for the guiding of the PCBA. This is a top plate with the required the pressing studs. We also take care like evenly pressure is distributed on each and every location of the PCB or not. So PCB warpage will not happen in terms of the microns as well. We do a prior analysis, we do a prior design things when we designing the fixture. So at the end of the day, when it comes to the manufacturing stage and assembly stage, there won't be any issues. So our standard fixture manufacturing process, we just get in touch with the call with the client, we understand the requirements, we provide the proper solutions, whether it is the production fixture, the height and size of the components into the PCB. We take lots of dynamics from the customer needs and we provide the great solutions and the model which is best more suitable to their needs. So this pneumatic PCB pneumatic structure is widely utilized when you are having the panel form of the PCB or panel or PCBA size is high in terms of the length and width or higher height of the components are there, then this kind of structure is recommended for the user for easy accessibility. So user needs to have proper accessibility of the area when they are putting the PCB. So I have proper accessible area when I put the PCB on fixture. So this is a metal structure, as I said, glass epoxy and ESD safe environment is provided into that. This is the aluminum standard box profile. This is also a metal structure with the required safety curtain sensors. Inside also we are going to open the fixture so we will get an idea. This is a one programmer part. This is the counter part. So whenever the structure or pneumatics is going to get in actuation, the counter is going to increase. So you'll get an idea like how much time it is come down and it's lift up. So just you don't need to place the PCB here. You can just zoom so we can show like how exactly the bed of nail is also created here. You can see a bed of nail part. I cannot press because of the spring force are there. So very accurate minute drillings are there with the 100 mil, 50 mil as well as 75 mil piece. The very rigid structure, you can see a very rigid structure. So there are a couple of issues will come if structure is not rigid. We believe in quality, rigidity and production environment. So even if unskilled person is using this study system is going to be used like more than 30,000 50,000 cycle times without any maintenance, and after that also just need to insert new pins. There is no need to maintain the structure. So this kind of atmosphere we are providing, like we know the end of line testers and we have quite high experience in fixture manufacturing, so we are going to provide a rigid solution only. So here for the safety we are providing the two push buttons. So when operator is pressing the button, only one button is pressed, it is not going to come down. because of the safety. So this kind of safety we are providing. They need to push two buttons. So when they are pushing two buttons, it will come down, right? And when they are pushing this button, it is come up. So you can see a very easy system, easy structure, and rigid solution for the end of line testing part. Even we take care, like when it is going to be pressed without PCBA, the pogo pin is not going to damage. So yeah, you can see an increment in the counters as well when it is inserted and it is like unable inside the system. So I will just place the PCB and you will get an idea. It is easy to place the PCB here. The cavity is created inside the mounting plate of the PCB. I will just press this and bottom pogo pin will come in intersection with the test points. Internal electronics will start working on that and automatically test executions will be there. So if you want to mount PC screen here and operator is sitting here, it will be easy for operator as well to actuate and to test the any PCBA and run the test cases into the computer as well. So this kind of structure is what we are using and providing to in India as well as in outside market. So if you have any such kind of requirement, Microb is the best solution provider for any kind of PCBA as well as product level tester. So if you have any such kind of requirement, you can just connect Microb and I will just open the fixture so we'll get an idea like how the system is there and what kind of electrical electronics we are using for the system. Yeah, I'll just open this. We are providing proper gas spring as well. So for the rigidity, see a neat and clean wiring. Some of the parts are going to be connected from the our client end, so they are going to connect it. The soldering of the pogo pin, wirings, harness creations, and tagging of the wiring and ferrule. Each and every part is proper. As we are inside electrical electronics and software development team, we can provide you a one-stop solution and very complex solutions from micro side. So our always motto is that like we provide end-to-end solutions and our customer needs we validate the fixture before it goes to the microbe side. So it will be like a plug and play kind of things when the fixture reaches to your end. So if you have any such kind of requirement, please contact Microbe. We'll provide you a best out of the best solutions for any kind of fixture design and development part. Thank you guys for watching us. Thank you very much.